This is the Gallery Restaurant.
Dito na kami magdi-dinner and this is what we ordered. Ribs and ayo oyo. For dessert, we're having these pastries pero separate ito from the bill. The view is amazing from this restaurant. So, ang gandang tignan ng kapaligiran. Maganda rin ang ambience at merong tumutugtog na acoustic. Our total bill is almost 1,400 lang.
Anong masasabi mo, Mare?
Masarap yung pasta.
Masarap yung food nila. Medyo matigas yung ribs, pero masarap.
Sarap naman. But then, I expect lang if it's rib na dapat pull apart. Medyo matigas na. But it's okay naman for the price.
Magandang service. Very nice. Babalik?
Babalik.
Babalik. Kaya for more of anything happy at ang pagkain dito sa The Gallery by Witchcraft, please do follow me at Occasions of Joy and thank you for watching. Bye-bye!